Hero, I have one word to describe this property.
What is it?
King of the Hill.
That's actually 3 words, Pauline. You know what? In saying that, this property actually offers 3 levels of luxury living, and I am in love with it.
Couldn't agree more.
Well, in that case, welcome to another episode of Just Listed. Let's go and have a look at it.
The home features 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 master bedrooms and 3 living areas.
But my favorite part about this property is that there's nothing blocking these views and there's so much sunlight coming in throughout the house.
Now let me ask you guys a question. How often do you get a home that comes in the market, especially when the builder builds a home for himself? Correct? The opportunity of that is 0. When a house comes in the market, especially with $1 million views and a quality home like this with hardwood floorboards throughout the whole house, an amazing master chef kitchen with plenty of cupboard space, the range hood looks amazing, the glass splashback, the butler's pantry, the double sink, stone bench tops, soft closing cabinets. It's 2-pack finishing as well with a little bit of a gloss touch. I'm in love with this property from A to Z. I guess the right word to use in here is perfection.
The sunset from here is magical.
I agree. Just imagine those afternoons you come back home from work, make yourself a coffee and come out here and just enjoy these views.
Always spoil your missus with a nice glass of champagne or wine and take her out for a nice little date on the upstairs.
Ooh, I like it.
Thank you so much for tuning in on another episode of Just Listed by Hero and Pauline. And we're looking forward to meeting you guys at one of our next open for inspections. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this episode. I will see you next week on next week's episode of Just Listed by Zed. Bye for now.